Hi, Ma'am and Sir. Good day to you. I'm Irene Sudaria, 37 years old from the Philippines. I'm married with 5 children, 3 boys and 2 girls. I am the second eldest out of 13 siblings in my family. After I graduated in high school, I immediately start to work as an all-around babysitter and a cleaner in a private family in the Philippines. I assist children for school, preparing meals and sleep with the kids during nighttime. I clean the house, I cooked, I wash and iron clothes, take care of the plants, and buy groceries for family supply. So, I hope everything is clear and I hope you choose me as your future helper. Thanks, and that's all. Have a pleasant day ahead to you, ma'am and sir.